Hi, my name is Sandy Threadgill, and I'm a teacher at Berkner High School STEM Academy. This year I'll be teaching pre-calculus and pre-AP Algebra 2. This is my 8th year at Berkner High School STEM Academy. I have been in the STEM Academy for my entire 8 years. This will be the 3rd year that Berkner High School has done the STEM grant, the $4.6 million STEM grant. But I've been a STEM teacher for all these years. Actually, I've been teaching for 17 years. I've been married for 12 years. I graduated from the University of South Carolina with a graduate degree in Masters of Education in Secondary Education. And so I just want to let you know a little bit about the syllabus and the course. So both for pre-AP Algebra 2 and pre-calculus, for each day a student is absent, they get a day to make it up plus 1 day. Late work, if it's 1 day late, they get minus 15 points off. If it's 2 or more days late, they get minus 30 points off up until the day of the test. After the day of the test, it would not be accepted. On my Google Classroom, I have my virtual classroom link and my Zoom link. My tutoring hours are Tuesdays in the mornings from 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. and Wednesdays and Thursdays from 4:20 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. and other times by appointment. So everything you need is on my Google Classroom. Anytime a student is absent, I have video tutor links for every assignment they have so that they can be successful, especially if they cannot attend my tutorings, just in case they have other personal obligations. So I look forward to meeting you at the Meet the Teacher night, and you have a good day.